How to fix call screening not working on iOS 26. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you what to do if the call screening feature is not showing or completely missing on your iPhone. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. Now, one of the main reasons why you might not see the call screening option is because this feature is not available in every country yet. If your country isn't supported, the option simply won't appear in your iPhone settings. There is a workaround you can try, and that is changing your iPhone's region to a supported one. To do this, open the Settings app on your iPhone, go into the General section. From there, scroll down until you find Language in Region, the one with the little globe icon. Tap on it to open the menu. First, tap on Region and change it to a supported country. Choose the one that works best for you. Once you do this, your iPhone may restart, which is completely normal. After changing the region, you can also go back and change your iPhone language to English, US, or something similar. This helps make sure the feature appears properly. Once that's done, go back to your main settings page. Check your phone settings again. You should now see the call screening option showing up, even if it wasn't there before. In my case, the feature was missing when my region was set to an unsupported country, and it appeared right away after switching to the United States. Make sure you also keep your iPhone updated, since new iOS updates often include bug fixes and feature improvements. And that's it. That's how you can fix the call screening feature if it's missing on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, make sure to like it and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.